In this video tutorial, I want to talk about setting up listing packages on your Premium Press website. So let's begin. To access this page, log into the admin area of your WordPress website, and under the theme setup options, click on listing setup. We're going to be using the third tab along the top, listing packages. Firstly, you'll see a list of pre-installed listing packages. You'll notice there are example 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left hand side. Now we can use these to preview how it looks on the front end of our website. So if we go to the front end of our website, click on add listing as to add a new listing, you'll notice listing packages are displayed on the left hand side. Now if we wanted to display them in a package pricing table, you can refer to the other video tutorial on settings, but it's done under the settings, listing setup, and we just simply turn on pricing table. So for this video tutorial, we'll use the pricing table just because it's a little bit clearer on what options are displayed. So as you can see now, when we click on add listing, we have a pricing table. We have the listings 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row here, and if you add additional packages, they'll be displayed underneath. Let's go back to the listing package options. Now we can obviously edit, delete, and get a link directly to that package by using the options available. Let's go ahead and edit an existing listing package so we can see what options are available. So now this is listing package 1. We can give it a title, a subcaption. So if we refer back to our pricing table, you can see we have the title at the top, subcaption underneath, which is the special offers. We can choose a display order and give it a description. Descriptions, obviously if you click on more information about the package, you can see where the description is displayed. Under that we have the option to hide me. So if you decided to create packages that you don't want to be displayed on the actual website, but you can assign them in the admin area, you can use the hide me option. And that covers the section 1. Section 2, we have package features. Here we can choose multiple categories. Obviously, as it says, multiple categories allows you to create a listing with additional multiple categories. If you turn that off, give you an example, and we create package 1. When we go to select a category, you can just select one. As you can see, minimum category is 1, and if you turn it on, obviously they can select additional categories. We can select how many categories they can choose up to. So if we turn this on, click save changes, give our packages a refresh, go back to the listing category options. As you can see now, we can select up to 30 categories. Obviously you can choose then how many you wish for that specific package. We can do the same process and the same thing with user uploads, which is the media, images, videos, etc. And we can choose any of the default listing enhancements that are available for this package. Next we have the expiry options for this package. So we have the default, which is 30 days, and also you can set how many days that you want the listing to expire. So basically the expiry option is how many days from the date that is created will it expire, and when it expires, what do you want to do with it. Here we can set the option to do nothing, set it as a draft, set it as pending, and delete it. Or if you wish to move it, say for example downgrade it to an additional to a different listing package, you can select the appropriate package here. Next we have package table text, and here we can show the default one on the actual packages page. So if I show you here, we have the default text underneath, which is obviously featured listing, HTML, visitor counters, top of category, etc. And if you want to add your own, you can simply enter it in here. So if we just go testing, click on save changes, give this a refresh, you can see now we have testing at the bottom of the pricing table. So it just gives you the option to customize it slightly and set your own package text and package information. You go back to edit options again. We have that's the one we did a moment ago. We have listing price, and this is obviously how much the user will pay to purchase this listing package. If we go to the left hand side, if we go to the right hand side, we have listing enhancements. And listing enhancements basically are add-ons that the user can purchase at a separate price to the actual listing price. So if they decide to purchase a, for example package 1, which has no additional listing enhancements added, they can pay $10 for that package, and should they wish to, they can pay an additional $5 for category results, an extra $15 for the featured category options, etc, etc. And here you can obviously just set your own price, and just by changing the price value. If you don't wish to use any of these, for example, I don't want to use Google Maps, I set the price to 0, set the visitor counter 0, HTML count 0, 0, and I'll just leave top of category results. Click on save changes. When I refresh, you'll see on the package options table all of my packages, my enhancements, have disappeared apart from the top of category. And underneath that we have the option here, show enhancements. And what that means is basically if you want to see this top of category option, you can turn this off. The enhancements have been removed from the actual submission form here, and if I turn it back on, you can see again the enhancements are now back on the left hand side. And underneath that we have upgrade options, which just basically gives the options for the user to select a different package if they're already added to an existing package. So if I've purchased, say, package 1, I'm provided the options to upgrade to package 2, 3 and 4 if they're a higher price than the initial packages that I purchased. So you can obviously turn those on and off there. We have a small inner tab called statistics, and along with the actual statistics for any of the packages that are purchased, we have this option to transfer packages. So for example, if you had a number of users on package 1 and you've decided that you're no longer using package 1, you've created a new package, you can transfer packet users from say package 1 to something else. So let's do the ones, if you notice we have 3 packages on not assigned, and let's transfer all those to package 1. Okay, go back to statistics, and now we can see package 1 has 3 listings. Let's go back, listing packages. Let's transfer everything else to package 2. Transfer. There we go, transfer is up and sorted. Now if you notice our graph has changed as well, you can see now that we have 12 listings on package 2 and 3 listings on package 1. So it just gives you a breakdown again of what users are assigned to. So basically which listings are assigned to which packages. So a total there would be 15 packages. We have 3 on 1 and 12 on package 2. Now if you're the admin obviously of the website and you want to assign packages to listings via the admin area, you simply do that using the listing manager. So if you go to view all of your listings on the website, edit any existing listing, scroll down, and on the main details tab you can see the listing package that it's assigned to. So you can change the listing package here. You'll also notice another option called enhancements, and again you can turn on and off the enhancements for those listings just using the admin area. So that's the basic overview of using the listing setup options within the Premium Press theme.